In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete statuses in Clickup, a handy skill that will help you keep your workflows organized and eliminate any unnecessary clutter. So let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. First, we need to start by navigating to the space where you want to delete a status. Spaces in Clickup are like departments or projects, serving as the big containers for all your tasks, lists, and everything else. So make sure you're in the right space for the context where you want to make these changes. Once you're there, click on the space name. This action will open up options tied to that specific space, giving you access to its settings. Now, let's move on and select Space Settings. This option is usually located in a drop-down menu that appears when you click on the space name. It's essentially your command center for all the adjustments you want to make within this particular space. After you've accessed the settings, you will find a sidebar. In this sidebar, you need to look for the option that says Statuses. Click on it to proceed further. Next, you'll find a list of all the statuses available in this space. These statuses might include stages like In Progress, Completed, or any other specific custom status that has been set up. The idea is to find the specific status you want to delete. Hover over the status you've decided to remove. This action is a cue that prompts additional options related to this status. When you hover over the status, you will notice a three-dot menu appear right next to it. Go ahead and click on this three-dot menu, which will reveal several options, including the one we are interested in, Delete. Carefully select Delete to remove the status from your space. Finally, after you have deleted the status, it's crucial to save your changes to ensure the deletion is fully applied. You can do this by clicking on the Apply Changes button. This step finalizes any modifications you've made, ensuring your space reflects your updated status configuration. It's a straightforward action, but absolutely necessary to seal the deal. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to delete a status in Clickup. This process helps you maintain streamlined workflows by customizing statuses that align more accurately with your project needs. Keeping your statuses up to date can significantly enhance your team's efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more of our videos for additional ClickUp tips and tricks.